Mga kakasal. Linisin ko yung egg. Oh, are you done?
No, wait.
Ah. Are you sleepy now?
No. Mommy,
I don't disturb me.
what is this, Mommy?
That is your rice.
Oh,
You don't know that?
this equals eat it?
No, you cannot eat that.
What
It
is
is
this?
not yet cooked. No, don't play with it. Storbo ka talaga. Ito yung gagawin ko. Linisin ko na yung eggs. I have 12 eggs. Then, alam niyo na to. Sa pampaswerte. Kuno. Kuno na kung mapaniwalain. Mapaniwalain.